Hello and welcome to Christ Center Gamers unboxing of the Vantrue Element Dash Cam. Sorry, it's an Element 1 Pro, which has 4K 30 frames per second, SONY IMX678 STARVIS 2, HDR voice control, Wi-Fi, free app, GPS logger, 24/7 parking monitor, magnetic assistant mount, super capacitor, extreme temp protection, CPL filter is optional. Remote controller optional, LTE connectivity optional. So we got a couple of QR codes right there. They were also nice to send me the hardware kit. And, oh wait, there's more. A circular polarizer. And a 64 gigabyte SD card. So perfect. I thought I was gonna have to order one of those. So, let's see what we got here. It's okay. This is a little intimidating. This kit here. Definitely have to read the instructions on this bad boy because looks like it's like fuses. 2 sets. And we got dip switches. Really long USB-C. Yeah, that's gonna need a manual. And then we got some 3M tape. But yeah. Hardware kit, and again they got the QR codes for that. Find the fuse box. So they tell you exactly how to set this up, and then they got it in multiple languages, so it's not too bad. But you do have to crimp some wires. Alright, so it's like 9 pages of directions in this little book. So not too bad. Comes with a 12-month warranty. So, alright, that's gonna be fun. Alright, and then let's see what this has inside. Tear and open my exclusive box. I've opened it. Is there another thing? No, it's opening slowly. Alright. Okay, so it goes another QR code and more QR codes. And it goes right in the cigarette lighter, I guess, out of the box here. Oh, man. So they just have a thing going right to going along the top of the car, the hood, or sorry, whatever, the roof of the car, through the window, and into the cigarette lighter. So if you don't want to mess with fuses. But here's the actual dash cam. So it's got some cheat sheet of different ways to program it or access it. And you got the protected sticker. Now recording, and we got. Oh, I think this is okay. You put these. It's like pretty much a screen protector where you plan on sticking it on your windshield. Microfiber cloth. And then inside here We got more 3M double-sided stickiness. USB-A to, I'm assuming USB-C. Yeah. This is the long cable with the cigarette adapter. Cigarette lighter adapter. And this is the mounting mechanism. And I think these are just some hooks for like wire management. So, alright. That is what they sent me. I got, I think last time I just worked with just the kit and USB connecting. Oh, prying tool. So yeah, I gotta set that up. Stay tuned for our review and you know, check features, and I'll probably do like a demonstration. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. God bless.